Okay, let's continue. Welcome to Top Gun Training School. And look at this circuit here. Okay, CT set up a circuit as shown below to find out which object is or are electrical conductors. So you highlight this part. The purpose is to find out whether they are electrical conductors. Okay, so you notice there are 4 objects here, P, Q, R, S. Okay, and there's only one bulb. And this is the battery, the power source here. So this is the recording. So there are 4 tests. Test 1, test 2, test 3, and test 4. Okay. So there are 4 tests. They ask you what is the purpose of the bulb, this bulb here, in the circuit. So what's the purpose of this bulb? Okay. So this bulb is to indicate, right, if electricity will pass through it, right? Yeah. So it's very easy. You say, to find out if electricity is passing or is flowing through the bulb. Okay, that's all. Is to find out if electricity is flowing through the bulb. Okay, or to determine, if electricity is flowing through the bulb. Okay, next question. Okay, which test was not helpful? So you underline this, not helpful for CT to find out if any object were electrical conductors. So you take note, this one is actually, okay, you notice a pattern, right? Okay, you look at the power source here. So the current will definitely flow through here, right? Upwards, it will go through B and C, correct? You need to go through this. So if you see B and C are open, right? Okay, as long as B and C is open, both of them, right? Electricity cannot pass through at all. So you notice this, right? The B and C for test 1 is open, right? So electricity cannot pass through at all in the circuit. So that means test 1 is not helpful. Okay, test 1 is not helpful. Actually, we don't need test 1. Okay, so the answer for this is test 1. Okay, then you need to give a reason. Okay, so the reason is very simple. You say if switches B and C if switches B and C are open at the same time, okay, electricity cannot flow, okay, cannot flow through the circuit at all. Cannot flow through the circuit at all. Okay, it is an open circuit. Okay, so this part. Okay, if switches B and C are open at the same time, electricity cannot flow through the circuit at all. Okay, next, from the result, right? Which objects are definitely electrical conductors? Okay, definitely. So you look at here, this part. You look at the yes one. Okay, the yes and the yes. So there are 3 yes, right? Okay, let me erase this part first. Okay, clearer. Okay, so now we check to see if they are definitely electrical conductors. So look at test 2. Test 2 is this one open, right? B open, A open, B open, and C closed. We do the step by step. So definitely electrical conductor. So you see the current go through here, right? Okay, go through here. And this bulb light up. Can you see? So the current actually goes through here, and come down and light up the bulb. So in this circuit, can you see? So they say definitely, right? So can you see S and Q are definitely electrical conductors? So I put here S and Q. Okay, you take first. Then I erase this again. Okay, now you see test 3. Okay, test 3, A open, B close. Okay, B close, C open. Okay, so yes, the bulb also light up. So if the current goes through here, through here, okay. So again, Q is also involved, right? So Q already take, right? But now can you see R must be an electrical conductor because it flows, because you close B, right? So R again is an electrical conductor. Okay, now the last step. Now is the last one. Let's see. Okay, let me erase this again. Okay, now we close this one. Now is A is closed and C is closed. Okay, these two closed. A closed and C closed. And the bulb light up. So how does the current flow? It can flow here, correct? Okay, but because once it reach here, right, it can also flow this way, right? Because this one got two choices. Okay, they got two choices this way. But for P, we do not know. Because this one closed, right? If P is an electrical insulator, right? Okay. If P is an electrical insulator, because the current can also go to Q. So P is unknown. Okay, P is unknown. Can you see? So the 3 confirmed one is only this 3. Definitely. Oh, so you get so the answer is Q, R, and S. Okay, Q, R, and S. Because they say definitely confirmed. Because for P is unknown. Because the current can either go to P or go to Q. Because A is closed. Okay, because they can choose the 2 pathway. Understand this one? Okay, if you don't understand later when I finish recording, then you ask me the question. Okay. Okay, next question, part D. Okay, because here there's below there's not enough space here. I ask you to do the question here. Okay, now I come back to the question again, this part. I want to see anyone have any questions before I go on to the next question.